Okay, children. So, very good evening to all of you, and let us start straight away without any delay. So, the first thing I do is sharing the whiteboard. Can everybody see the whiteboard? Okay. So, quick recap. Quick recap. Yesterday we learned two things: simplification of a fraction, and what was the second thing? Yes. What? Yes. Comparison of fractions. During comparison of fractions, we all know the meaning of comparison, right? What is to compare? So the first requirement for comparing is we should have at least two or more fractions. Then only we can compare, no? Can I say uh, Biju sir is better than Biju sir? Can I say? Or Biju sir is younger than Biju sir? I cannot say. I can say Biju sir is younger than Shubhashri. Correct? Okay. So when we have to compare, we basic requirement is two or more fractions. Then only we can compare. So yesterday when we started comparing, we learned something about like fractions. Can somebody quickly tell me what is like fractions? Bhargavi. Bhargavi. Since she took the async video, let me check if that video was effective. Like fractions. Tell me, what do you understand by like fractions? Bhargavi, can you hear me? Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, tell me, Archana. Very good. Very good. That means in any fraction, any two fractions or more fractions having same denominator, say for example 8 and 8 are called like fractions. That means 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, they are like fractions. And in like fractions, it becomes very easy to compare the two fractions. For example, if I want to find out which fraction is bigger, we can straight away make out which fraction is bigger. Subhashri, can you tell me which fraction is bigger? Yes, 5 by 8 is bigger. Why? Because in the like fraction, the numerator will decide which fraction is bigger or not. Correct? So it's very easy, no? Say I start, and visually also I can prove it to you. It's very easy. I have two chocolates, a favorite thing. I hope our teeth does not get spoiled because you're eating too many chocolates during class. Huh? So if I divide this to eight equal pieces, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay. And the other one also to eight equal pieces. And the first fraction was 3 by 8, right? 3 by 8. That means one piece, two piece, three piece. Suppose I eat. So what fraction I've eaten? 3 by 8 of the chocolate I've eaten. And the other, if I've eaten 5 by 8 of the chocolate, straight away visually I can make out which is bigger, right? Right? So 5 by 8 is more. I've covered more of the chocolate. Correct? No, 5 by 8 is more. So greater. So just by looking at the numerator, I could make out which fraction is bigger. But I cannot draw every time, right? So even if suppose I have big fractions, say 1355 by 8252, and I have 8,462 divided by 8,252. Straight away I can make out this is clear, no? So this is fraction. So fraction comparison becomes very easy. Moment denominator is same. Look at the numerator and decide which is bigger or which is smaller. Which one you want to arrange in ascending order, which one you want to arrange in descending order, depending on the question. Simple. Clear? Okay. Now, suppose I rub this and again I have two chocolates. Vijay, go out and come back. Go out of the Zoom link and come back again. And suppose I have a second chocolate. Now this chocolate I divide into, say, 4 pieces. 4 equal pieces, huh, children? Whenever we are talking about fractions, it is 4 equal parts or 4 equal pieces. Okay? Yeah, Vijay, so click via internet. Click via internet only. And suppose this chocolate. Okay. Archana, thank you. And this chocolate I divide into 5 equal pieces. So now what is the denominator of the red chocolate? And what is the denominator of the yellow chocolate? Clear? Now suppose I say I have taken 3 chocolates. 3 pieces from the yellow. What fraction of chocolate I have taken from the yellow? 3/4. Okay. And from the red chocolate, I take 4 pieces. So I have 4/5 chocolates. Okay, children, please mute. Children, please mute. Thank you. Children, please mute. Yeah. Now, children, tell me, looking at the fraction, looking at the picture, which fraction is bigger? Which fraction is smaller? Both are equal? Anybody has different answer? Who? Danya is saying 4/5 is bigger. Anybody else? Speak, speak. Don't put in chat. Speak. How? Denominator is okay, 5. Okay, fine. Okay. So you're saying because denominator is more, 4/5 is bigger. Anybody else? Yahoo, what's your answer? Why? Okay. And in 3/4? So how do you know which is bigger? One minute, children. 1 minute. Yes, Pawan? Hello? Hello? Okay. Fine. Govardhan. Yeah, Govardhan is saying. Yes, Pawan? Hello. Yes, Vinay. Okay, by mistake. Okay. So keep this in your mind, children. We will. 1 minute, children. Hello. Pawan, I'm in the midst of a class. Tell me if you have to call me. What is the problem? You chat. You talk to me, no, or send me a message. Tell me why? Because the network is very weak. Even the voice call you couldn't connect. Go to an area where your network is good. Go to area. Go outside your house and try to connect. Yeah, try because the network is very weak. Because even voice call is not getting connected. Okay. Okay. Try hard. Try. Yeah. Sorry, children. Okay, so keep this in mind. Keep these two chocolates in mind. Yes, Vinay. Lower your hand, Vinay, if you don't have doubt. Please try. Please, Subhashri first. Mhm. Okay, so you're saying same, but the chocolates would not chocolates are not divided into equal parts, no? The yellow chocolate was divided into four parts. The red chocolate was divided into five parts. So which part will be bigger? Correct. So which piece will be bigger? Yellow piece will be bigger or red piece will be bigger? Think. Don't. Children, I have. Okay, wait. Hold on. I have two chocolates of the same size. One chocolate, I divide. Hold on, children. Hold on. Mute yourselves. When I'm talking, mute yourselves. Look at the picture. I have two chocolates. One is yellow color and one is red color. They both are of same size. Now the yellow chocolate I divide into four equal pieces, and the red chocolate I divide into five equal pieces. Which piece, yellow piece will be bigger or red piece will be bigger? Yeah, obviously, no. Obviously, if I've got one chocolate and divide into four pieces, and I get one chocolate and I divide into five pieces, obviously the chocolate which is divided into four pieces will have bigger piece, no? Logic, no? Common sense. Think, imagine. Okay, after class, all of you, all of you make one chapati at home. Okay, and divide that chapati into four equal pieces and divide another chapati into five equal pieces. See which piece is bigger. Okay, so check that after class. Okay, now hold on. Now I've asked you all. Yes, Archana. That I will tell you. Wait, first I'm trying to explain to you all visually how we cannot guess. Just by seeing a picture, we cannot guess when it is unlike fraction. We cannot guess. Okay, we are not sure. Now I will draw another picture for you. Now keep this picture in mind. Okay. Now let me draw another picture for you so that I confuse you little more. Now I have same chocolate, same. Okay, similar. Okay. Now yellow chocolate. What I do is, okay, how many pieces? Yes, 20 pieces. Okay. Now green chocolate. How many pieces? 15 pieces. Okay, fine, fine, good. So now I've taken one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 pieces I take from here. What is the fraction of pieces I take? 16 by 20, correct? Yes, very good. So 16 by 20 is the yellow chocolate fraction I take. Very good. Now, for the green chocolate, I take one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is Hershey Bharat? Who's Hershey Bharat? Acha, Harshita. Yeah, tell Harshita. Yes. Sorry? You have raised your hand. Yeah, lower your hand then. Lower your hand. Okay. Okay. So, I have taken how many pieces from the green chocolate? Check again. Yes, 13. So 13 out of. Now tell me, children, which chocolate I've taken more? How do you know? How do you know? How do we know? See, moment the denominator changes. Moment the denominator changes, now it becomes difficult to compare. Some people are saying 13 by 15 is bigger. Somebody is saying 16 by 20 is bigger. So let us now go back to our previous drawing because you are children, please mute. Children, please mute. Children, please mute. Pavan, please mute. Pavan, please mute. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to this first drawing and see this 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Let us now say how to compare these two fractions. First step to compare this fraction is both these fractions which are there, we have to convert them to like fractions. These are unlike fractions because denominator is different. So we have to convert them to like fractions. Means what? Means what? Means what? Correct. Means what? If I have to change them to like fractions, means what I have to do? Exactly. Perfect answer. We have to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominator same. So let's make it same. How do we make it same? Tell me how to do. Very good. What else? Think, children. Think. Suppose you all have two chocolates with you all and you have to convert them to equal pieces. How will you do? How you can simplify 3 by 4? Tell me. Please. Okay. 3 into 5, 4 into 5. What happens? You're saying 3 into 5, 3 into 5, and 4 into 5 or 4 into 4. What are you doing? Tell anybody else. Good try. Anybody else? Please go ahead. Very good. I will first find the LCM of the denominators. Now look at me what I am doing. Just look at the drawing, what I am doing. Okay. Yellow, chocolate, just see what I am doing. Okay. What did I do? What did I do? Okay. No, let me use a different color. Now look what I'm doing. Suppose I'm, what am I doing? How, how many pieces now? Totally? Before how many pieces were there? 16. 20, 20. Oh, yes, 20 pieces. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I further cut this chocolate into, further, it was already cut into 4 pieces. I cut it further into 5 pieces. 4 multiplied by 5, 20 pieces. First, it was cut into 4. Then I cut it further into 5 pieces. Now look at what I'm doing to red chocolate. Okay. It was already cut into how many pieces? Red chocolate is cut into how many pieces now? How many pieces totally? Huh? 5. So now I will cut it further into. Now how many pieces I cut it into? 20. 20. So what did I do, children? What did I do? I look at what I'm doing. Look, the yellow chocolate I further cut into 5 pieces. So I got now totally 20 pieces in the denominator. Correct? The red chocolate I cut into 4 pieces. I got 20 pieces in the denominator. But moment I multiply denominator by 5, I should also multiply numerator by 5. Correct? Yes, yes, yes. But children, I'm making you all understand visually first. Then I will teach all the technique. So you see now, shaded part is how many pieces? Yellow chocolate. Shaded part, 15. This becomes 15 by 20 and 4 multiplied by 4. Correct? Sorry, I have to change the color. Wait, wait, wait. 4 multiplied by 4. How many pieces? 16 out of 20. Let me just write this smaller. Let me write this smaller. Okay, children. Into 4. So I have equal to 16 out of 20. So what did I do, children? First, I converted the original fraction into like fraction. What was the original fraction? Original fraction was 3 by 4. Then I converted into 15 by 20. The other original fraction was 4 by 5. I converted to 16 by 20. So, children, now let me remove this. Now tell me which is bigger, 16 by 20. 16 by 20 is bigger. So the red chocolate became bigger. Now what did I do? Technique. Now visually you all understood, children, what happened? But in short, 20 is nothing but LCM of 4 and 5. Why 4 and 5 LCM? Because original fractions were 3 by 4 and the original fraction here was what? 4 by 5. So the two denominators which were there, I took their LCM. That is why I cut it into 20 pieces. LCM of 4 and 5 was 20. Clear, children? So what did I do? I had two unlike fractions. I converted them to like fractions. Visually also I saw. And moment I got 15 by 20 and 16 by 20, I could compare them easily. And I realized red chocolate, more fraction was eaten. Yellow chocolate, less fraction was eaten. Very good. Now we'll have understood. Correct, no? So let's go to our next. Wonderful. Very nice. Now, children, tell me which is bigger. Now, again, you have two unlike fractions. What is the first step? Find LCM. First step is to convert them to like fractions. First, convert these to like fractions. So, what will I do? I have to find LCM of what? Wait, hold on. Don't answer. I have to find LCM of what? Tell me, Kavya. LCM of which two numbers I will find? Wait, hold. We'll give chance to every children. Okay. Preeti, LCM of which number? Others can write. Others can put in chat box. Preeti, children, when I ask you a question, I'm not looking at correct answer. Don't worry about making mistake. I'm just seeing how much you all have been able to understand. And if you're not able to understand, then I will put more focus on that. That is why I'm asking children. I'm cold calling children. Okay, don't worry. Yes, correct. Preeti? Why 2 and 3? I have denominators are 20 and 15. So I'll find LCM of what? Least common multiple. Huh? Yes, I will find LCM of 20 and 15. LCM of 20 and 15. So let us find together, because some children have joined late here. So we will tell them the technique. 20 and 15. Correct? Govardhan. Give me LCM. Very good. Yes. Very good. Next, Subhashri. Very good. Very good. Danya. Danya. Very good. Five ones are very good. Very good. Nitisha. Nitisha. Yes, very good. So one as it is. So finished. Moment I get 1, 1, it is over. So LCM is nothing but multiplication of these numbers. So LCM becomes what? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, 60. So LCM has become 60. Very good. So now let me go back to my chocolates. I'm very hungry. Let me check first. Okay, 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 okay. Good. So yeah. So LCM of 20 and 50 is 16. Correct, correct. So children, now I want to convert the denominator to 60. I got LCM 60. So denominator has to become 60. Correct? So how will I get 60 in yellow chocolate? How will I get 16 yellow chocolate? Please go ahead. Please go ahead. No. 20 into 3 equal to 60. So obviously I will have to put 16 into 3. Correct? To convert to like fraction, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, next. Now go over the mute. Who will explain to me? Bhargavi. Now 15, how will I make 60? Very good. So 13 fours are correct. Yeah, I'll write this slightly smaller because my board is small. Yeah. So 15 into 4. So 16 into 3, yellow chocolate fraction becomes what? Very good. And 13 fours are 52 by 16. So then I will rub all this. I've got two equivalent fractions now. Now tell me which is bigger. So 52 by 60 is bigger. So originally it was what? Original fraction was what? 16 by, sorry. No, 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 no. Original fraction was 16 by 20 and 13 by 15. So 13 by 15 is greater than 16 by 20. Or we can write it separately here. Greater than 13 by 15 is greater than 16 by 20. So children, all those who are thinking when denominator is big, it need not be, the fraction need not be big. Understood children? So what we have done very clearly is we just, whenever we have unlike fractions, we convert it to like fractions. And then we will compare them to see which is bigger. So now that you have understood, no, no, don't worry. I will do two, three examples now. Don't worry. Don't worry. There is no confusion here, children. No confusion. Very clear. I multiplied by what? Correct, no 3. Wait, wait. Wait. What is the LCM of 20 and 15? 60. So I want to get denominator 60. Why? We found LCM and I want to convert both these fractions to like fractions. Since 20 and 15, sorry, this is 15. Since 20 and 15, the closest multiple of which is common to 20 and 15 is 60. It is the least common multiple. 20 multiplied by 3, 20 multiplied by 3 equal to 60. 15 multiplied by 4 equal to 60. So, why I want to make it 60? Because it is the LCM. Remember the previous chocolate, I had cut it purposely into 20 pieces each so that I could compare which is more and which is less. Similarly, in this chocolate, I want to cut it, but if I cut it to any other number, again I won't be able, again I will get unlike fraction. I want to cut it to that many numbers so that both become like fractions. The closest it can become like fraction is with denominator 60 because LCM is 60. If I cut, no, let me explain to you very clearly. There is no point. Where is this? Yeah, this one. This one out? No, this one. So I had 16 by 20. If I convert this to 40, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, and this will get multiplied by 2, it will become 30. Again, I will get denominator here 30, denominator here 40. No point. I have to make common denominator. I have to convert to like fraction. For that, I have to find LCM. Because 60 comes in 15 table also, and it will come in 20 table also. So tell me, no? Tell me which is bigger. Can you tell? Yeah, you can, but it will take longer, no? Sudarshan. Yes, Sudarshan. You will be, but you will take longer. If you have bigger numbers, you will take much longer. Technique is so that you can do calculation faster. So moment you know 60 is the LCM, I can multiply 20 multiplied by 3. So 16 multiplied by 3. Then 15 multiplied by 4. 13 multiplied by 4. Numerator and denominator have to be multiplied with same number. So moment I get this, I got 52 by 60. And here I got 48 by 60. Obviously, 52 by 60 is now bigger. That means 13 by 15 is bigger. Clear? Okay. So now let's go and do some activity. So now tell me, children, 8 by 9. Okay. And 16 by 18. Which is bigger? Chat box. Put privately in chat box. Which is bigger? Wrong, Harshita. Very good, Bhargavi. Excellent. No, no, put in private chat. Send the message to me. No telling the answer. No Kavya. No Preeti. Quickly. First correct answer I got from Bhargavi. Others, quickly. No Kavya. No Danya. This is a trick question. Good, good, good. Yes, Nitisha, correct. Now tell me which fraction is bigger. Excellent, Govardhan. Correct. No, 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 no. Send me the on chat. No, no. Send me on chat, children. Very clear. Send it on chat. Let others try. I have told you all. No. Very good, Mansa. Yeah. Very, very, very smart, Bhargavi. Yeah, yeah. Good. I like it. If you all don't get confused. Good, Harshita. No, Subhashri. No. Wrong, Subhashri. Navya, correct. Very good. So, fastest finger first who got? Bhargavi. Bhargavi, please tell. Bhargavi. Fastest finger is Bhargavi. Pawan, no. Pawan. Yes, Pawan, correct. Pawan, absolutely correct. Kavya, you have to give me the correct answer. Yes, you're nearly correct, but give me correctly. Yeah, Bhargavi, continue. 16 by 18. 16 by 18 equal. Understood, children? Sorry? No problem. Did you get the answer? Did you get equal to? Very good. Send me that method separately on WhatsApp. Okay? Clear? Hmm. What is this, Archana? Archana, no general chatting during class. Please. This is a classroom. I would not want any general chatting. Anything related to the questions, answers, please tell me. But no emojis, nothing, no time pass here. Please. Let's maintain the decorum of the class. Clear, children? I would not want any normal general chatting in the classroom, either in the WhatsApp group or here. Anything related to doubts, maths, anything you all can please put by all means. But no general emoji, nothing. Let's maintain decorum, okay? We have to maintain etiquettes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thanks, children, for understanding. You all have been really good, really good. Okay. Excellent. So we had this, and so let us do one more before we close for the day, and then I'll give you all worksheet, children. All children pending with worksheets, update and give me. Very few children have been giving me. Okay. Regulars. Okay. Now one more. Private chat. Okay. Preeti has given me answer. Preeti, give me the LCM also in private chat. Yes. Give me the LCM. Correct, Nitisha. Preeti, correct. Who is that? Find which question is bigger. Sorry. Find which fraction is bigger. Which is bigger? Correct. Correct. So the final answer should be Bhargavi with the original fractions. The original fractions in the screen, that should be the final answer. You should tell me. Yes. Correct, Navya. Very good, children. Excellent. Good. Yes. Correct, Bhargavi. Okay. So all those are done. Please tell me. All those are done. Please tell me which is bigger. Okay. Then one more fraction I'm giving in green. Archana, give me the original fraction. Don't give me the fraction after converting. Children, whenever the answer is given, don't give the answer with the new denominator. Give me the answer with the original fractions I've given you. These are the original fractions I've given you. The final answer should be which is greater. Yeah, Subhashi, correct. Don't give me the other fraction. 16 by 24 for children who have finished. Okay, children, let's finish this fast. We are running out of time. So very quickly, tell me, Preeti. Preeti? Yeah, Mansa, correct. Preeti? Mine means Mansa is correct. Kavya is correct. Govardhan correct. Correct, Govardhan. Okay. So, children, Preeti, can you hear me? Preeti? Preeti, can you hear me? Pawan. Pawan, no. Which question? First question or second question? Okay. No, it is not. Okay, Preeti. Preeti, can you if you cannot hear me, children, type. You cannot hear. Obviously, how can you type when you don't hear? Sorry. Okay. Who has not answered? Okay. Navya. Navya. What is LCM? What is LCM? LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So, what will I do with 16 to make it 48? Yes, 16 threes are. So, obviously, 13 threes are. So, this becomes 39 by 48. Okay. What about 24? For everybody, children? Yeah. Okay, children. No issue. We are finishing the class. Quickly, we'll finish. Okay, what about 24? How will you convert to 48? 24 twos are. And then 21 twos are. So I get 42 by 48. So 42 is bigger than 39. So 21 by 24 is bigger than 13 by 16. This should be a final answer. This should be a final answer. Without this. Okay? Correct? Yes. Great. Okay, children. So 16 by 24 also I told you all to find out. Do that separately and let me know. With that, we finish the class today, children, for unlike fractions. So comparison of fractions